So, Rafael, how is technology evolving and maturing to enable trade automation and compliance?
Technology can be used in many different ways, and that's how we kind of see companies using it now. I don't want you to think about technology as the old school way of having an ERP system where you have a lot of data in. To be honest, that's almost table stakes now. To have good technology in place that can, track your transactions all the way from beginning to the end, and you are able then to extract the necessary information out of that ERP system, to meet the obligations around reporting of these transactions. But what we're seeing companies now, think about and implement are solutions that are a little bit more sophisticated and more advanced. So you have your ERP data, you have your information there, but what insights can I get out of that? So they create data lakes, they bring information in from different sources, your ERP system, your broker information, other databases, to then allow you to do analytics and insight generation on like what's really happening from a end-to-end process, end-to-end supply chain. We also see companies look at even more sophisticated solutions. For example, NLP, natural language processing. It allows you to scan information on the web, on the internet, and then actually derive information out of that content that then would allow you to trigger something. So a practical example would be to look at notifications from the U.S. government around sanctions, and it would actually scan the information to then trigger and match that to your transactions to say, hey, there might be something that you need to be concerned about in this area. The same with more sophisticated insight and ways of kind of automating parts in the process through RPA, robotic process automation. So if you think about technology, it's not just a static ERP or big data source that you need to look at. You really need to look at the gamut of tools that you have at your disposal and use those in a smart way to really optimize the execution of the process as well as the compliance aspects of the process.